All right, let's talk about bookkeeping. It is an essential for understanding your business financial health and of course for doing your taxes correctly. So now I've been seeing some interesting bookkeeping methods over the year. Some not so smart and some that are definitely the way to go. Okay, so here are some not so smart ways to do things. Paper receipts everywhere. Okay, picture this. Shoebox overflowing with crumbled receipts, faded ink, trying to decipher what you bought months ago. Not fun, right? Losing receipts is a nightmare and it's super disorganized. Color-coded bank statements. Some people try to get fancy with highlighters, assigning colors to different expenses categories to their bank statements. While it's a step up from the shoebox, it's still manual, time-consuming, and prone to errors. Okay. Then some people evolve is like, hey, let's do a spreadsheet by categories. You know, spreadsheets can be helpful, but if you're manually entering every single transaction and trying to categorize everything yourself, it's a recipe for headaches. Plus, it's easy to make mistakes and it's not the most efficient use of your time. Okay, so here's the smart way. Here's what my suggestion is. So here's the approach I recommend. Separate your bank accounts. First things first. Open a checking account that is separate for your business. This is crucial regardless of whether you are a sole proprietor, an LLC, a corporation. It keeps your personal and business finances distinct, making tracking and tax time much smoother. Then, bookkeeping software. Next, embrace technology. There are fantastic bookkeeping software options out there, like QuickBooks Online or Xero. These tools are game changers. Then link your bank account to your QuickBooks Online or Xero. If I connect your business bank account to your chosen software, this allows the software to automatically import your transactions. No more manual entry. And then create rules. As you use your account, the software learns your spending patterns. You can create rules to automatically categorize transactions, saving you tons of time and efforts. So this is why this works. First is automation. Say goodbye to manual data entry and hello to efficiency. Then accuracy. Reduce the risk of errors and have confidence in your financial data. Third, organization. Everything is neatly organized and categorized and easily searchable. Real-time insights. Get a clear, up-to-date picture of your income and expenses. And tax ready. Your financial data is organized and ready for tax preparation. Lastly, the final main topic is the one source of truth. Think of bookkeeping software as your financial command center. It's your one source of truth about your business financial performance. With accurate and organized records, you will be well equipped to make informed decisions, track your progress, and navigate tax season with ease.